Hello, my name's Darren, welcome to the Bike Sanctuary. Today I'm going to show you around this Lexmoto LXR SE. Obviously there's a few differences between this and the normal LXR, I'll point them out as we go. This is a 73 plate, so it's 2023. Start at the front, go around as normal. Obviously the normal double discs, as you'd expect on these. It's got the upside down forks, which is one change on these. Obviously they're water cooled as well. It's got the lovely like carbon fibre look stuff on there. Go around the whole bike and show you. This really is in awesome condition. I'll point out anything if I do see anything. See the carbon look down here as well. And these do have the aluminium swing arm, which obviously was lightened on these. There's a few scuffs on that down there. Two-tone wheels also set it off, make it look cool. Go around the front. LED indicators on these as well. Now this one does also have heated grips, which can never be a bad thing, especially the weather we're having lately. Like I said before, it is in really good condition. I think this one's just done just over 2,000 miles. Obviously we'll PDI it as normal, so chains, sprockets, things like that, and tyres will get changed if they need to. Let's start her up. 2,287 miles, obviously with the full colour TFT dash on these. Overall lovely bike in a lovely condition. These are really sought after and rare now. We struggle to get these in. That's it from me. You can find us on WhatsApp, voice chat, all the social medias. Come in, sit on it yourself.